picked up this new cyber power universal power adapter for this RCA CC310 VHS camcorder, and as you could see here, it's already on, and it's got the letter E that's blinking, and I believe this must be for extended play, or that it's already ejected. It's already open. Take a look inside here. Through the gears. That's where you put the cassette in. Right here we got a VHS video. This Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. Let's pop this in. Let me show you how it plays. Play. It's a little blurry. I think it's a little glitchy or something. Not sure. Stop it. Right here. It's really cool that this sucker still works. You know, I'm so happy I got this new cyber power universal power adapter, and this has been working ever since before I was born. When we first got this, you know, this used to be my Graham's old camera, you know, but it's pretty nice though. Now let's see, jack tape. Let me show you camera mode. I'm not sure if you can see. Oh, as you notice, it's blinking tape because it's telling you that it doesn't have a tape in there. But me. There's my wall, my room. There's my bed. and do not slider. Oh, such a big camera. It's kind of a little bit hard to move this sucker around with hold my phone at the same time. Oh my. Now I'm gonna shut this off now. There you have it. Well, hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. And have a great day.